literally 10 cars in this bit.
No, there's not.
Oh, snap. We're a go. Welcome to Starbucks, ladies and gentlemen. Did you want anything to eat?
Double smoked bacon.
Double smoked bacon?
Yeah, don't judge me.
Hi, thank you for choosing our Starbucks. Your next direct get started with?
Hi there. Could I please get 2 grande Java chip frappuccinos?
Okay.
What was it that you want?
A double smoked bacon.
1 double smoked bacon, please.
Okay.
1 ham and Swiss panini.
Let me check to see if we have any ham and Swiss panini.
Thank you so much.
All right, it looks like we do. Would you like any sriracha avocado spread on either of those?
Sriracha would be wonderful.
Okay.
And a pair of Air Force Ones.
Okay.
And I think that'll be that.
All right, your total's gonna be $23.41 at the window.
Thank you so much.
you.
Oh, snap. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And the sriracha's inside of the bag.
Okay, great. Have a good one. You too. We got him. Good evening.
Ladies.
And gentlemen,
My name is Connor. I'm a graphic designer and illustrator based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Before we get stuck into the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you smash that like button and take your whole self and go ahead and belly flop on that notification bell. You've probably already guessed it, and you'd be completely right. Starbucks does not sell Air Force Ones at their drive-in locations, sadly. However, if they were to do so, if the swoosh gods ever did end up creating some sort of baby with the double-tailed mermaid queen of caffeination. Side note, doesn't Starbucks have a really weird logo? Anyway, if Nike and Starbucks ever managed to collab, I think it'd go a little something like this.
These my daddies make it hurt.
And there you have it, a perfect balance of roasted energy and just doing the thing. If you have any questions about the process of this custom, leave it below in the comments. If you enjoyed the vid, please remember to leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well. And I'll see you in the next one.